GNP Mechanical is your plug to the best commercial furnace installation services in Stafford, Missouri City, Sugar Land, Sienna Plantation, and all the greater Houston areas. GNP Mechanical provides outstanding commercial solutions for any size job for your next HVAC projects. Our current customers come from small offices or retail business shopping centers to commercial buildings, gas stations, apartment complexes, businesses, and churches. We also love working in the residential field, providing the best air conditioning services in Stafford, Missouri City, Sugar Land, Sienna Plantation, and the major Houston area. We proudly obtained an A+ certification from the Better Business Bureau in 2015. Call GNP Mechanical today. Let us know about your next furnace, heating, or air conditioning project.